Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some essential SQL interview questions that every data professional must master to ace their technical rounds. Let's start with our first major concept, the SQL case statement. In the in the world of databases, the case statement is an incredibly powerful tool used to implement conditional logic directly within your queries. If you have any background in programming languages like Python, Java, or C++, you can think of the case statement as working exactly like an if-else block. It allows the database engine to evaluate specific conditions sequentially and return a corresponding value as soon as a condition is met. This makes the case statement absolutely vital for data categorization and on-the-fly data transformation during the retrieval process. To see this in action, let us look at a practical query example. Imagine you have employees table containing data fields for employee names and their respective salaries. If you want to segment your workforce based on their income levels, you can construct a select query utilizing the case framework. In our query, we write select name salary and then open our logical block with the case keyword. We define our first condition by writing when salary is greater than 50,000 then high, which instantly labels anyone earning above that threshold. We then layered a second condition using when salary between 30,000 and 50,000 then medium. To capture the mid-tier earners for any employee who doesn't fit into these two brackets, we establish a fallback rule using else loop. Finally, we close the logical block with and as salary category to create a clean descriptive alias for this newly generated column, finishing the statement with from employees. This approach beautifully transforms raw numeric data into structured, easily readable categorical insights before the final output is even generated. Moving on to our second foundational interview question, let's zoom out and break down exactly what SQL is and dissect its various command types. SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, serves as the standard universal language designed specifically to communicate with, manage, and manipulate relational databases. Whether you are building a modern web application or running massive data science pipelines, SQL is the ultimate engine used to store new information, retrieve existing records, update outdated datasets, and delete redundant data. To effectively handle these diverse operational tasks, SQL commands are systematically organized into five distinct sublanguages, each serving a unique structural purpose. DDL Data Definition Language. First, we have DDL, which focuses entirely on the blueprint and structure of the database. This includes commands like create to build new tables, alter to modify an existing table's schema, and drop to completely delete a table structure from storage. DML Data Manipulation Language. Next is DML, which is dedicated to managing the actual data records residing inside those structures. Within DML, we use insert to add new rows of information, update to modify existing values, and delete to remove specific rows based on specific conditions. DQL Data Query Language. The third category is DQL, which centers around the most frequently executed operations in data analysis. It primarily consists of the select command, which allows you to fetch, filter, and extract specific datasets from the database tables. TCL Transaction Control Language. Fourth, we look at TCL, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity and managing execution states. It relies on commands like commit to permanently save a transaction to the database and rollback to undo changes if an error occurs during execution. DCL, Data Control Language. Finally, we have DCL, which deals directly with database security, permissions, and access rights. DCL utilizes commands like grant to give specific users access privileges and revoke to take those permissions away. By comprehensively understanding these five pillars DDL, DML, DQL, TCL, and DCL, you possess the complete foundational roadmap to build, secure and navigate any enterprise database system with absolute confidence. Keep practicing these concepts and you will be fully prepared to take your next data science interview. Thank you.